In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TLabAI language tool for translating your Shopify online store products. Translating your store into multiple languages can be a game changer in reaching a broader audience and enhancing customer experience. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure everything is seamless and clear. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to the Shopify platform. You can do this easily by opening your preferred web browser and typing Shopify into the search bar. Once you're on Shopify's main page, you'll need to sign in to your account. If you're not already familiar with Shopify, it's a widely used e-commerce platform that allows you to set up an online store and sell products to customers around the world. Next, we're going to head over to the Shopify App Store. This is an essential step because TLabAI language is a third-party application you'll need to add to your Shopify store. In the Shopify App Store, you have a whole world of apps designed to enhance your store's functionality, from marketing tools to inventory management systems. For this session, we'll focus specifically on finding the language translation tool. In the search bar at the top of the Shopify App Store, type in TLabAI language. This search is going to bring up the application we need. It's a user-friendly tool designed for Shopify users who want to break language barriers and offer a more inclusive shopping experience. When you find the app in the search results, click on it to go to its dedicated page. Once you're on the TLabAI language app page, the next thing you want to look for is the Install button. Clicking Install will add the application to your list of active tools available on your Shopify dashboard. Installation is a straightforward process, generally just a couple of clicks. And remember, this tool will help in automating the translation of your store's content into multiple languages. After the app is installed, you can immediately start choosing which languages you'd like to translate your store's products into. Most businesses opt for multilingual sites to cater to international customers who may prefer shopping in their native language. This can dramatically improve your market reach, customer satisfaction, and ultimately, your sales figures. And there you have it. The process of installing TLabAI language onto your Shopify store is complete. Finally, to wrap up, it's always a good idea to regularly check how these translations appear on your site and make sure everything aligns with your brand voice and customer service goals. Keep exploring and optimizing your store to ensure a user-friendly shopping experience across different languages. Thank you for watching and happy selling on Shopify.